Good morning everybody. In last video, the electronic configuration of atom part 1, we have learned about the certain rules for filling the electrons in orbital that were above principle, which is based on the Pauli's exclusion principle, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity and relative energies of the orbitals. According to these rules, we can find out the electronic configuration of some elements. So today we are going to learn the electronic configuration of some elements. So to begin with, consider the case of oxygen, which is having atomic number 8. So first of all, oxygen, the 1s orbital will be filled with 2 electrons. Next two electrons will fill with 2s orbitals, and remaining 4 will go in 3 2p orbital. So first 3 electron will fill in all 3 orbitals, and last fourth one will go in first 2p orbitals. So electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Next we will consider the case of potassium with atomic number 19. So the electronic configuration of potassium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s1. So you can see first 2 electron will fill like this. Now consider the case of scandium with atomic number 21, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d1. Now consider the case of chromium with atomic number 24, and for the chromium it's not a simple rule, it has some exception. In case of chromium, the atomic number 24 and normal electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d4. But in resultant electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d due to extra stability of half filled orbitals. You can see 4s and 3d are half filled, all orbitals are half filled and it is more stable. Now we consider the case of copper with atomic number 29. So expected electronic configuration of copper is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d9. However, the actual configuration of copper is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d10. So 3d, all orbitals are fully filled and 4s is half filled. So here is also due to the half filled 4s orbital is more stable. That's why actual electronic configuration of copper is this one. Okay. So in this way, in this module we have learned the electronic configuration of some atomic some atoms. Okay. So what we have learned, the completely filled and half filled subcells are extra stable, and this fact leads to the exceptional electronic configuration of atom of some elements. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.